Hey Roses, it's Olena, and look, I have a package here I'm about to open up. So let's see what is in here. Okay, and if you haven't had a chance, make sure you go ahead and like this video, get that out of the way so you don't forget. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on your notifications. Hype this video up if you're able to, and leave me a comment at the end. So this was sent to me by Influencer, and I spoke about Influencer a couple of videos ago, so check that out later on after this, and I'll have information about Influencer down in the description box. But yes, this was sent to me free in exchange for an honest review. So let me see what they sent. And I have to say, if you know me, you already know I love the color of this box. This is from Shea Moisture. Let's see what 3 products I have here. I like that they put it in a Ziploc bag, so if something spilled out of here, it wouldn't get all over the box. It looks like nothing spilled, so I am glad for that. Okay, so I have 3. Oops. Now something did break because that just flew out at me. What? Oh man. Well, you know, they tried. Everything can't be perfect, so oh well. At least that wasn't on the shampoo. Let's start off by looking at what they got me. So, or what they sent me. This is the Shea Moisture Apple Cider Vinegar Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It has salicylic acid in it, and this collection is for stronger hair and healthier scalp. This says this is sulfate free. They use fair trade shea butter, and this is safe on color treated hair, so that's good to know. I already know I'm going to be using this apple cider vinegar. Oh, me and my scalp and hair need this. Anything with apple cider vinegar in it hair wise is wonderful, and you know apple cider vinegar is good for the body. So yes, and anti-dandruff. Me and my scalp problems will surely appreciate this. Okay, so this also says this is formulated with no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. All good things. So this is not going to be putting any toxins into your scalp, your body, not going to be clogging any hair follicles. So that's good to know. And to break it down, if you don't want to read everything it tells you, it has apple cider vinegar in it, has vitamin B3, and there is fair trade shea butter in this. So let me see what else it says here. It says, say hello to carefree scalp days. This collection is designed to care for your scalp's microbiome and strengthen your hair. Our anti-dandruff shampoo infused with apple cider vinegar, vitamin B3, and salicylic acid helps to eliminate flaking and itching associated with dandruff, and gently cleanses to remove buildup. When used together, our shampoo and conditioner moisturize and strengthen for less breakage and healthy looking hair. Okay, I am down with that. A little bit of the information, warnings, and all that good stuff. In the back of it does say directions for best results. Use at least twice a week or as directed by doctor. Shake before use. Apply to wet hair. Gently massage into scalp and work into rich lather. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat if desired. Okay, so I'm probably going to be using this today. Let's just take a look at it. Let's see if it's sealed. Good job, Shea Moisture. This is sealed up underneath here. And looking at it, it looks like a gel, like without doing anything, looks like a gel. Let me see how it looks on my hand. And make sure it's not difficult to squeeze out of this. Okay, not difficult at all. Came out pretty effortless. It moves slowly down my hand. So this is a gel-like consistency. Feels nice and smooth. it smells good too. It does not smell like apple cider vinegar at all. And as you can see, this is what's doing on my hand without anything happening. So I think this is gonna lather up. Yes. It smells very clean. It has a fresh scent. So not a trace of smelling like apple cider vinegar at all. Okay. Wipe that off. All right. I'm excited to use this because this is exactly what my scalp needs. Let's go ahead and look at this conditioner. Now that my locks are actually a few days shy of 1 year, at some point I'm going to use conditioner. I have not used conditioner the entire year since locking my hair, so it's time to start, you know, dipping and dabbling into conditioner again. It's been so long. Okay, so anyway, so this is from the same line, of course. Everything else I read is pretty much the same. And let's see, directions for this. It says, for best results, use at least twice a week or as directed by doctor. Shake before use, apply to wet hair, gently massage into scalp, and work into rich lather. Rinse thoroughly, repeat if desired. So this is a washout conditioner. It's not a deep conditioner where you would let it sit on your hair or let it sit underneath a thermal heat cap or, you know, underneath heat. So this is just a super quick way to get extra moisture into your hair, and that's that. Let's take a look at it. I would squeeze it out, but you know, can't do that. So let me just make sure this one was sealed too. Oh no, it couldn't have been sealed. Duh, Olena, look. Well, let me, oh. Now the smell on this, there's something to it. It smells fresh, but it also has like, almost like, I don't know if it's a Play-Doh type scent. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, Play-Doh, I don't know. Something and it just smells, I don't know. Artificial almost. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's take a look at it. Let me just go ahead and take this and okay, nice and smooth. So wipe it away. Let's see if it leaves any sheen. A little bit. Let me see what kind of, if this has any oils. Not that I'm thinking about a lot of oils because I have locks, but if you are not locked, you know, you may want more of them oils. Let's see. So first ingredient is water. Okay. Of course, there's shea butter in it, but other than that, rosemary extract. Other than that, that is it for oil. So when I was rubbing it and I really wasn't seeing that machine, that is why. So, okay, well, we'll see how this works. It's good to know this is safe on color treated hair. All right, well, I'm glad to have it. All right, and the last thing here is Shea Moisture, apple cider vinegar, and niacinamide. Now that's good. Niacinamide is wonderful. And it makes sure to let you know this is a new product. It's Scalp Repair and Hydrate. Okay, anti-dandruff serum with salicylic acid. So it's a deeply hydrate, cools, and helps eliminate itch and flakes. Ooh, are you about to be my best friend? We are going to see. Ooh, this print is so small. I don't know if I can read it, y'all. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to hold it up here, take a screenshot of it, and blow it up. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, first off, I like that the applicator was easy to open up. With some applicators like this, like I have another oil like this, it was tricky just to open it, and now I'm like at the last bit of it and I can't open it at all. I don't know, but this, the top part is not twisting around inside of the plastic part, which I am glad to see. So this is, as you can see, it's like a cloudy clear color. It's not totally clear. Let's see what it looks like on my hand. All right, rub it in. It's almost like I can smell a bit of menthol in it, because I got that vapor rub type of smell, but that's just the initial scent, and then it just dies away quickly. So that's good to know. I'm not trying to walk around smelling like vapor rub. I know I'm older, but we ain't trying to smell like that. So anyway, so you see I rubbed that in, and I got a little bit of a sheen, which I like. Now I assume that menthol is going to give it the cooling, and actually it's starting to feel like a little cooling sensation right now. Let me blow on my hand and see what happens. Yeah, I let some air get to it, and it's a cooling sensation. It's not tingling, it's just cooling. There's a difference. So if you're not really down with the tingling, but you can stand some cooling, you might like that. And I like it already, actually. Doesn't feel funny. I'm not getting any irritation from it at all either. You know what? The ingredients I don't see on okay, it's right here. Just like this is a medication. You see that? I don't even want to peel it back, y'all. But it says to... Okay, so here we go. Peeling it back. Look at that. Just like this is a medication. It says the active ingredient is salicylic acid, and we definitely need that. Okay, and let me see if I can read the directions. Y'all, I gotta turn it sideways so I can read it. Don't be laughing at me. Okay, so it says apply to affected area 1 to 4 times daily, or as directed by doctor. Shake before use. Apply 2 to 3 drops in targeted areas directly to wet or dry scalp. Gently massage in. Use more as needed. Okay. And do not rinse. Okay, this does have water. It has glycerin in it, so I wanted to mention that just in case any of you are allergic to glycerin. It does have that in it. Let me see what else I can see. Y'all, I'm struggling to look at this. Hydrogenated castor oil. Okay, there's shea butter. What else is in here? I'm trying to see if there's any other oils. No. Oh, coconut oil. That's something else to know. If you're allergic to coconut oil, you want to know about that. Okay, I'm not allergic to any of those, but I want to mention that. All right, so I'm glad. I appreciate influencers sending this out to me. Also with the cooperation of course, Shea Moisture. I'll be trying this, and I think what I'll do, I'll try this by itself first, and then the second time I try it, I'll try the shampoo and the conditioner, but I'm thinking I'm going to try these first. I know most definitely I'm going to try these, okay? So if you are looking forward to me trying this, let me know in the comments. If this is something you've picked up or not, let me know. Are you interested in picking up? This is a new collection. So, you know, if you suffer from dry scalp, dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis like I do, this is something to check out, okay? So other than that, if you haven't already liked this video, for me at least just going over this, please go ahead and do that. Subscribe if you would like. Leave me a comment. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.